Well, YouTube, my friends, it's a very sad day for YouTube today. Somebody that I looked up to, is I watched her so much that it made me want to make a YouTube. Um, Rest in peace, Phyllis Stokes. You were a bright light in my life. I mean, rest in peace, and I hope you're with your husband, Mr. Bucky, again. I could just see you smiling when he came to you to collect you. But I am a super fan of hers, and I am broken down right now. So, just letting everybody know that knows Phyllis Stokes. Her son posted a rest in peace to his mother today. So, God bless you all.